Okay, today we are going to be talking about the concept of before and after. So go ahead, pull out your math worksheet, pages 199 and 200, and a pencil, and let's begin. So before and after is a very simple concept, and you're probably already quite familiar with it, so this will be easy today. If you think about the seasons, you know there's 4 seasons. There's summer and winter and autumn and spring. But we know that spring comes before summer and summer comes before fall. Likewise, winter comes after fall and fall comes after summer. So lots of easy things you can think of in terms of your life and in terms of the calendar where you can explore the concept of before and after. So let's look at our worksheet now and begin our work. It says, circle the picture that shows before. In the first box, we have a picture of a flower. One flower is still growing and it's nice and has petals on it and the leaves are still green. The second flower is brown and wilted and the leaves have almost all fallen off and the petals are all wilted. So we know that you have to have a nice growing healthy flower first. This would come before. After would be the flower that's dead. If we look at the second photo, we have a family saying grace in the top photo, and in the bottom photo, they're eating their dinner. Well, we know that we should say grace before we eat. If you come to number 3, in this picture, we have a boy building a tower. So you have to look kind of carefully at this and see which one comes before. Well, this side over on the left has less blocks. He hasn't built his tower as much. So this is before. For number 4, we have 2 plates. We have a plate with a full sandwich and a plate with an empty sandwich. Well, we know that his sandwich on the plate comes before the empty plate. All right. Moving rather quickly through this, we can turn over to the back side. And this time we're going to look at the images and decide which shows after. And this time we're going to put an X on the picture that comes after, okay? So you have an apple and then you have an apple core. Well, we know when we have an apple, we don't start out with a core, we start out with a whole apple. So after we've eaten it, what is left is the core. This is after, okay? With a strawberry, we have 2 pictures here. We have a green strawberry and a red strawberry. Well, a strawberry starts out kind of green, and then as it grows, it gets riper. And so this picture shows after. That's what happens after. After it's ripened on the vine, it gets more red, okay? So here, for number 3, they want us to draw what might happen after. So we have a little girl here who is baking some cookies, and she is putting the shapes on the dough to cut out the cookies. So what might come next? Well, you could really draw a picture of anything, but in my mind, what she will probably do next is have her mom. This is supposed to be her mom. I'm going to give her mom some hair here. It's not a great picture because I'm drawing on the computer. Here's the oven. The mom's going to take those cookies, here's the cookie tray, and she's going to put them right inside the oven, and she's going to bake those cookies until they're nice and yummy. And then after that, they might decide to decorate them, okay? So, concept of before and after. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Nice job.